Let's discuss Newton's first law. Newton's first law is the law of inertia. And the law of inertia states that every object in motion stays in motion, and every object at rest stays at rest unless there's an opposing force. So in the middle here, I have an example of some guy pushing a 50-kilogram table. Overcoming inertia would mean that the amount of force that is applied and the kilograms of mass that the object has works at least a 1-to-1 ratio in order for this table to actually start moving. See, you can crash into a situation where you're applying 5 newtons of force, but the object is 10 kilograms. Yeah, there is some acceleration here, 0.5 meters per second squared. However, the object is not going to start moving until it's at least 10 newtons. Over here, we have an example of someone overcoming inertia and has managed to push this object, the table, 5 meters from its original position. And then we have another example here of overcoming inertia. Let's look at these examples here. So, like I said, acceleration being at 1 meter per second squared, at that point, your object is almost able to move. So once it's more than 10 newtons, it can move. And here is when I'm applying no force, and as a result, there is no acceleration. Here you have a ball here that is rolling on a surface, right? So if it's rolling on a surface, it is going to have friction force. The friction force is going to potentially slow that ball down to a rest. Now let's say if this ball is in space, right? Of course, there's not going to be any friction, so it's going to continue to keep moving.